Pregnancy brings a lot of anxiety. She feels that how I will be able to cope up with the labor. Childbirth educator is a person who helps the pregnant woman emotionally as well as physically throughout the phase of pregnancy. Breastfeeding is a painless process, but if there is any kind of pain, that means somewhere something is going wrong. Then the lactating mother will start having a negative feeling about the breastfeeding. She might think to just leave the breastfeeding because now she's tired with the pain, she's not getting the support.
Hello and namaste. This is Sonia Pava, your friend and pregnancy guide from Nine and Beyond. And now, once again, I'm here to again help you in your journey, trying to make it as smooth as possible. I hope you all are doing great, finding a lot of wisdom in the podcast. And we hope that in some way we are making it a little easier for you, more knowledgeable for you. आज के podcast का mission is really amazing. See, with this changing lifestyles, with more professional women and challenging times in life, जो एक natural process था life का, it has come with its own share of challenges. With the result, जो शायद पहले जिसकी की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, आज probably हमारी mothers को, mothers to be को बहुत ज़रूरत है कुछ चीज़ों की knowledge की, which is looking away from your medical science, yet it is part of your medical science. And that is lactation, that is your childbirth. बड़ी natural चीज़ें हैं, but because of the present time, they come with their challenges. And to ease out those challenges, the beautiful part is आप लोग blessed हैं कि आप उस time frame में हैं life के when we have experts to help you do that. And these, so we have lactation experts, we have childbirth educators, and we have doula. These are three amazing lines which can really help you smoothen out your journey, which sometimes because of hormonal imbalances and other factors women may find it challenging. और इन सब चीज़ों को आंसर करने के लिए आज हमारे पास एक बहुत ही मल्टी फैसेटेड पर्सनैलिटी आए हैं all the way from Ahmedabad to be with you all to educate you on lactation, doula, and childbirth labor. So, to begin with, this is Nikita Panchal ji. Nikita Panchal,
Namaste.
आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के पॉडकास्ट में.
Thank
We're
you
very
so
happy
much.
to have you with us.
My
And
pleasure.
going and realizing the after the conversation with you the importance of this line, we are really happy that you're here to help our audience
Thank you
gain
so
this
much.
knowledge.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
So to begin with, we know now that it was your own breastfeeding journey which made you change your line from being a media person,
Yes.
come into this line of being an lactation expert, doula, and childbirth education, right?
Yes.
Besides lactation, she also does your prenatal and postnatal floor mat pilates, right? In a way, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, she's a complete package for you all to get connected with, to make it so easy for you, right? To do the right thing and to maintain the right body. So, to begin with, let's see one thing. सबसे पहले आप खुद ही समझाइए, what is lactation expert, what is child labor educator, and what is doula?
Sure.
Plus, उनका रोल क्या है और इन तीनों चीजों में डिफरेंस क्या है?
Sure. So I will start with the explanation for childbirth educator.
Right.
So childbirth educator is a professional who helps pregnant women emotionally and physically. We prepare a pregnant woman emotionally as well as physically throughout the phase of pregnancy.
Okay.
Because pregnancy brings a lot of anxiety because of the hormonal changes. A lot of mood swings happens. She feels that how I will be able to cope up with the labor, what will I
Right.
do if I have my the contraction will start, how I can stay fit during the pregnancy so that my body prepares for the normal delivery. Absolutely. Right? So, childbirth educator is a person who helps the pregnant woman throughout the journey. We like I stay with the pregnant woman as the pregnancy coach.
Okay.
And now talking about the doula, so doula is a non-medically trained person, and she works with you as a labor support partner
Okay.
throughout the labor.
Mm-hmm.
So what kind of exercises that she can do to ease the labor, so that she stays motivated throughout the labor.
Right.
And we basically motivate the laboring woman for the normal delivery. Yes. And if we find she's like, feeling she's drifting towards the negativity, or
Right.
now she's giving up in between, so we motivate so that she continues for the normal delivery. And we try to even minimize the interventions during the birth, so that there won't be need for taking the epidural or unnecessary interventions we can avoid.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is about the doula. And coming back to the lactation professional, so we create the awareness during the pregnancy only, by attending the breastfeeding class during pregnancy, so that you are aware that this is how the lactation phase will start. This is how you will be breastfeeding your baby in the future. And even we prepare the husband as well, like how he can motivate or he can support the lactating mother,
Yeah.
so that she will be motivated for exclusive breastfeeding journey.
Right.
And if she finds any problem, it could be latch related problem, or she has developed some soreness on the breast, or soreness on the nipple, or maybe mastitis. There are different types of problem.
Inverted nipple, which is very common nowadays.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hmm.
So we help the mother in solving all these problems, so that she can start her breastfeeding journey smoothly.
Right.
Yeah.
So I want to make a point here. As she had already explained it, the whole concept behind this is very simple. See, because of working environment for the women also, sometimes as a human being, we want to take the easy way out and we opt for cesarean section. We opt for not breastfeeding, but for
Formula feeding.
for bottle feeding, right?
Yeah.
But to make you guys understand the importance of breastfeeding and normal delivery as far as possible under the parameters of medical permission, how important it is for your baby and you in the long run, health wise, it is very, very important. So, this journey is just to explain you that part. So, coming to that, starting with, my first question is, सी अर्लियर क्या होता था घर में एल्डर्स हैं आपको गाइड करते थे आपकी सिस्टर्स female members of the when is the time when they should know that no, we need to turn to a lactation expert, or is it a good advice to always turn to lactation expert? What is it like?
Yes. So when the new mother is facing any problem, let's say if she's experiencing pain anywhere during the breastfeeding process.
Okay.
Breastfeeding is a painless process.
Okay.
But if there is any kind of pain, that means somewhere something is going wrong, right?
True.
And in family, generally what happens, you will get advices from 10 different people. Right. Okay, you are doing like this. Now some other person will come, some auntie will come. No, 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 this is wrong. I have done this, you try this. So she just keeps on experimenting the things, but still she's not getting the result. And the time is very important. Otherwise, the problem can get worse.
Yeah.
So then the lactating mother will start having a negative feeling about the breastfeeding.
True.
She might think to just leave the breastfeeding, because now she's tired with the pain, she's not getting the support. So it is very important to have a informational support at the right time. Now in India, I mean in across all the cities, the lactation counselors are easily available.
Okay.
So you have to, I strongly recommend to the pregnant woman that during your antenatal visit,
Okay.
check with your doctor what kind of support they give for the lactation.
Okay.
Do they have lactation profession on board?
Okay.
Are, they visiting the new mother immediately after the birth or maybe at the time of discharge?
Okay.
If not, then just check in your city and just, book a counseling session at the hospital only so that you get right advice at the right time and you will
Right.
get the confidence about the
Absolutely.
breastfeeding journey. So
Right.
that's more important.
And that also reminds me, I must mention, she has 7 years experience in this line, 4 years of having her own studio. And the best part is she does online consultation also. So you have everything designed for you. All you need to do is, as and when you need it, please go forward. We are always there to help you and more than happy to help you. So,
Thank you so much.
yeah. So tell me one thing. Okay, now understanding that why this is important from a professional in today's time rather than just help coming from all the elders around you. There is something called your breast. The first thing which you hear is skin to skin touch and the
Yes.
importance of it. I think that's the first reason why the child is brought to the mother immediately,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is that?
Yeah. So skin to skin within the first hour of the birth, it is mandatory.
Okay.
So when you hug your baby, immediately after the birth into the operation theater only, your baby will be much more calmer.
Okay.
It even helps in stabilizing the body temperature of the newborn,
Okay.
right? And always put the baby immediately on the breast so that the baby will start latching naturally.
Okay.
And most of the time, if you have done this, then you will not face any latch related issues with the breastfeeding.
That
Because
important
this
the
is a
first hour
natural
is.
process.
Wow.
If we delay it, if we are skipping this process, let's say if you initiate the breastfeeding after 3-4 days of your delivery, then baby will not be able to latch it correctly because now
Okay.
3-4 days maybe now baby is so much addicted with the spoon feeding or maybe the bottle feeding or maybe the syringe feeding that the baby will not be able to open the wide mouth, right? And then the struggle starts. So immediate skin to skin has lot many benefits even to the mother as well. The यूट्रस जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है उसको भी अच्छे से हार्मोनल चेंजेस जो होता है तो उसमें भी काफ़ी हद तक उनको यूट्रस को रिलैक्स करने में हेल्प करता है एंड वंस यू hug your baby you will forget all the pain
Yeah.
of labor,
The
if
release
you were
of
in
oxytocin.
yes
Absolutely.
18-20 hours of labor pain you will forget everything and you just want to hug your baby immediately after the birth, right? So this is more of like
Natural instinct.
yes, skin to skin touch. And just in case if she is missing on this opportunity, let's say her health is not
Yeah.
her
Is
health
not
is not
permitting it.
permitting
Or
in
if
the
she had a
operation.
C-section, she may be still under the spell of
Maybe,
anesthesia.
yeah. And even if the doctor is not in favor of skin to skin in the operation theater,
Okay.
you this thing can this process of skin to skin can be done by father as well.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah, so just take the newborn and shift it in your room. You just have to hug the baby skin to skin, wrap something around your body, and just hold the baby. All right, it will help the baby in calming down, and baby will not even cry much. Right, because
Excellent.
when the baby hears your heartbeat,
Yeah.
that's a connection, right? Rather than keeping the baby away, you should always keep baby skin to skin.
So tell me one thing. एक normal delivery में आपने समझाया कि immediately you bring the child to the breast, the milk comes, and all the benefits are there. But C-section में क्या delay हो जाता है milk production or something like that happens? What is it?
Yes, at times, the mother is getting such kind of conversation that, your milk supply will not start immediately if you're going for cesarean section. It will start from day 4 or day 5. Don't worry, that's okay. Feed the formula, right? Even at times, she will get the same kind of advice from the hospital and the hospital staff as well. But always remember the impact of anesthesia, which you're taking during cesarean section.
Right.
It doesn't go till your breast.
Okay.
The numbness that you experience after having anesthesia, it's around your abdomen area
Okay.
and a little bit of thigh portion, right? It doesn't go up till your breast.
Okay.
You
Even general
can.
anesthesia?
No, general anesthesia, you will feel numbness in your entire body.
Huh.
So in that case, delayed breastfeeding will definitely happen. So we should not give any stress to the mother.
Okay.
But if, like, during the cesarean section, as I mentioned, the impact doesn't go till the breast. Immediate skin to skin is still you can go for it in the operation theater, even if it is a cesarean section.
Okay.
But at times, why delay happens? Because she was on a fasting period for a good number of hours.
Exactly.
उसने कुछ खाया पिया नहीं है, तो उसकी वजह से at times she will not have even energy.
Okay.
And she's feeling tiredness as well because of the impact of anesthesia.
Okay.
Right. So she might feel that I don't want to try at the moment you give the formula. But here, the role of a father is very important.
Okay.
So a father just has to, lift the baby, just hold it properly, and you have to place the baby on mother's breast.
Okay.
So that the baby can start the suckling.
Okay.
Even if the milk is not coming, this is the best advice I can give if you are going for cesarean section.
Okay.
Every 2 hours, place the baby on your breast and give ample amount of suckling opportunity.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Because the latch is getting established.
Okay.
And then if needed, you can always give formula for initial days. All right.
Okay.
But at least वो practice जो है baby का वो होना चाहिए.
Natural process शुरू हो जाए.
Yes. And breastfeeding is all about demand and supply.
Okay.
If there is no demand, then you will not have supply immediately.
Okay.
So at least start giving the suckling opportunity to your newborn so that your breast will also start
Reduce
milk
that.
releasing.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Already she has experienced a lot of changes on her breast during the pregnancy.
Right.
And it's not like milk will not come. एक दिन 2 दिन and काफी बार होता है कि सब बोलते हैं कि अभी तक दूध नहीं आ रहा है इसका. She will start taking stress about it. And when you take stress, there is always a delay in supply.
Like a vicious cycle.
Yes, yes. Or at times, even a low milk supply will happen if you take the stress.
Right.
Right. So it is very important to give suckling opportunity to your newborn
Mm-hmm.
so that your breastfeeding journey will start. And very soon you will start releasing the milk.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think this wisdom is of great importance that if you're aware
Yes.
that ऐसे नहीं होता है,
Hmm.
it just relaxes you more and
Yes.
then it will not happen. It's like it's supposed to happen.
Absolutely. Very
Perfect.
true. Very right.
These podcasts are really opening the eyes of a partner's role
Absolutely.
in this
Absolutely.
journey. Easily said, we are pregnant,
Yes.
couples are pregnant. But is pregnancy ke role mein every time we come across, like last time we had a clinical psychologist with us and she said, even fathers are going through postpartum depression.
Depression.
So
Absolutely.
something, I honestly, we had never heard about it. But now, see, if this is out in the open, people know how to understand that. Even
Correct.
wives still know how to understand their husband better instead of
Yes.
having all those complaints, because the
Yes.
relationship better.
Very true.
So this
very
is
true.
amazing that even a father can do that in the
Yes.
first hour in case of a C-section.
Yes.
or-
And once the mother shifts into the room, you can
Absolutely.
always,
Do that
help
process
her
again.
with the skin to skin part.
So coming to the importance, which
Hmm.
we are realizing now, why breastfeeding is so important. What are let's specify what are the benefits of breastfeeding to the baby and to the mother. So let's do it. Yeah.
Yes. So breastfeeding has several benefits to the mother as well as to the baby. Now, let's start with the mother.
Right.
All right. So her recovery will be faster from the childbirth, right?
Okay.
If she is breastfeeding the baby, because when she takes the baby for the breastfeeding, she feels very relaxed.
Okay.
That emotion, the moment that you lift your baby for the breastfeeding and the moment you hug your baby, you feel quite relaxed. And especially when your breastfeeding is established, you feel content with the process.
Okay.
So you will not have any other stress, right? And your body releases a lot of happy hormones when you are breastfeeding your baby.
Right.
So because of the oxytocin and as well as the prolactin hormone, you feel quite content.
Right.
So your recovery will be faster. And even breastfeeding helps in burning extra calories as well.
Okay.
So roughly it's around 400, 500 calories you burn per day,
Oh.
right? But for that, the baby has to be in exclusive breastfeeding and you have to be very careful with your diet as well,
Right.
right? And women gets protection from certain cancers like breast cancer, cervical cancer, ovarian cancer. So
Okay.
exclusive breastfeeding has a lot of benefit, and the most important is it enhances your bonding with your baby. There will not be any kind of spacing in between because every 2 to 3 hours baby is just coming to you,
Right.
right? After that, like, baby is playing with everyone, but whenever the baby is hungry, it's
Baby
all the
comes.
time mama mama, right? So that's exclusive time that you get with your baby.
Mhm.
And even going back to the pre-pregnancy shape as well,
Hmm.
this helps a lot.
Okay.
And even mother will not have any issues like diabetes. अगर उसको है तो वो शुगर भी कम करने में हेल्प करता है because you are burning the extra calories.
Okay.
Yeah.
This
Now coming back to the benefits to the baby.
right.
So it stabilizes baby's body temperature.
Okay.
And this is the wholesome food that you are, producing for your baby.
Right.
And whatever your baby needs at the age of day one, at the age of 1 month, at the age of 1 year, at the age of 2 years, your breast is producing the same kind of milk. The
Okay.
composition gets adjusted as per baby's age and demand.
Oh.
Yeah. It's not like कि अभी मेरे milk में suppose इतना protein या fat है, it will not remain same at the age of 1 year. It gets changed.
Okay.
All right. So your baby needs the exact same amount of nutrition as per the age. And even baby's immunity will be very good. Baby's intelligence level will be very good with the mother's milk as well.
Wow.
All right. So there are
Yeah.
many benefits.
One can see that.
Yes.
So basically, when you say it's wholesome, what is exactly is the composition of the breast milk, and what is its nutritive value?
Yeah, so breast milk is the main major proportion component of the milk is water. It's more of a water,
Mhm.
right? Then the less amount of fat is there, the protein is there, and even we have live cells that we transfer to our baby, right?
Okay.
And we in our milk, even we produce antibodies. So if we compare this with the formula milk, no formula brand can produce
Absolutely.
antibodies, right? So there are many benefits only mother milk can do. Even if you read the label of any formula brand, नीचे ही पैकेट पे बड़े फॉन्ट में लिखा हुआ होता है कि मदर मिल्क इज द बेस्ट,
Right.
बट वी स्टिल ignore that line.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is
So
so
that's it.
basically, in other words, Amrit. This
Yes,
is what it is.
yes,
It's
yes.
Amrit because it's
It has everything.
it has
It is more of
everything,
like
yeah.
first vaccine of your child, because that's a
amazing.
yes,
Yeah. Yeah. That is
is
very good way
everything.
of putting it. That it is like
Yes.
your first vaccine of the child.
Child, yes.
Building the immunity.
Immunity.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So it is even known as gold milk.
Yeah.
The
Liquid
first
gold.
milk, liquid gold, yes,
Yeah.
because the initial days pay you will release colostrum,
Okay.
and then the transitional milk will start. So the
Yeah.
colostrum is more of like a liquid gold,
Right.
right? So your baby needs only colostrum for the initial days,
Mhm.
and then the mother will start releasing the fore milk and the hind milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. So, considering that, of course, we've realized that breastfeeding should start immediately. How long should it go?
So
For how many months?
Yeah, exclusive breastfeeding will be till 6 months of the age.
Okay.
And then mother and baby can still continue with the breastfeeding journey.
Right.
After 6 months, she will introduce solid food, right?
Okay.
One food at a time. And still, she's continuing with the breastfeeding even till the age of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year.
Is it okay to do that?
Yeah, extended breastfeeding, she can go for it. Though there are many myths in our society, 1 साल का बच्चा हो गया, अभी छुड़वा दो, आदत पड़ जाएगी, बच्चा नहीं छोड़ेगा, आपको तकलीफ होगा, आप कहीं जा नहीं पाओगे। But still, even after the age of 1 year, still your baby is getting very good benefit.
Okay.
So you should continue as far as you both are comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. So it could be till 1 year, 2 years. Now, as per the revised guideline of UNICEF and even the WHO, they are recommending to continue breastfeeding beyond 2 years. Post COVID, they have revised the guidelines because they are still finding the benefit in mother milk.
Okay.
So extended breastfeeding has got lot of benefits.
Okay. Okay. So you know what? Basically, the girls, the work. Like this is as the lifestyle thing. Women are highly qualified. They're
Yes.
working, right? So what happens generally, mostly with the working women, it happens that when they, as it is, when the baby comes on the scene and when they have to breastfeed the baby, like, all the time, it comes with a lot of challenges because, see, one, they're not used to being, at home all the time. That is one of the major things which I keep hearing from the younger people, that
Correct.
they suddenly feel restricted.
Correct.
And then they feel, a lot of time you hear these young mothers saying they feel like a cow. All they're doing is this during the whole day.
Yes.
What exactly are the challenges which they're facing? Why? Can we specify so that it helps them deal with this particular emotion and part so that they can have a better mindset about it?
Sure, sure. So, it is very important that for a new mother, first you have to ensure that your breastfeeding journey is very smooth.
Right.
If there is any problem, we have to reach out to the expert.
Okay.
So once you start with your smooth journey of breastfeeding, you will probably have a proper schedule.
Right.
You will have the idea about it now. I've just breastfed my baby. Now I have this much of time on hand. So
Right.
meanwhile, you can do your work as well.
Right.
Now we even have pumping facility,
Right.
right? So you can always pump and store the milk. Let's say if you are joining part-time work, right? But it doesn't mean that you have to stop breastfeeding.
Right.
You can continue. We just have to plan the pumping, the schedule accordingly, wherein we have enough amount of milk at
Right.
home for the baby.
Okay.
Right. Nowadays, there are so many different types of pumps available, breast pumps available in the market. Even you can carry that at your workplace.
Okay.
Just do pumping, store it if you have the facility, or else just carry the cold storage box. Or maybe you can, check with your HR department if they allow you to feed your baby in between. So that way you can surely handle. But yes, coming back to the mental health, right? At times it happens that you will start taking stress about your work.
Right.
You might feel that I'm just doing breastfeeding, taking care of the baby. Now, how I will be able to spend, 3-4 hours of work? It seems to be like a full stop on my career now.
Right.
Right. But always, seek support of your family. That's very much important. So you need to educate your family that you are going to join your work maybe after 3 months, 6 months.
Right.
Right. And support from your, even the organization is also very much important. So always discuss about your maternity leaves, about the breastfeeding, the slots that you can come.
Right.
And another thing I strongly recommend, just to, um, going strong mentally for this new phase of life, is always spare some amount of time for your fitness. Right. Once you be a mother, most of the time, especially in India, we feel that now it is a full stop on fitness because you're a mother now.
Yeah.
अभी आपको कहाँ जरूरत है एक्सरसाइज करने की? बेटे बेटी का घर पे ध्यान रखो, दैट्स इट, हो गया. अभी कहाँ वॉक करने की, एक्सरसाइज करने की जरूरत है? बट वी हैव टू टेक इट एज अ मी टाइम, राइट? If you are going out for a walk, let's say 30 minutes, or maybe you are doing some home workout, so that will help you in, calming your mind, and you are focusing on the fitness as well.
Right.
So you will keep your body away from the stress. You will not feel that all the time I'm doing this and that,
No.
because you need that, the gush of hormones as well.
Right. So basically, from day one, have that me time,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And for
It
that, you have
could
to be
be
mentally
anything.
prepared, be more
Yes.
aware. And I think in a situation like this, the partner and the family support is
It's
extremely
everything.
important.
It's everything.
Very,
It's
very
everything.
important.
So, even counseling of family is also very much
Very
important.
important. Yeah. So
They play a huge role.
especially in for the lactation journey,
Yes.
especially if you want the woman to be encouraged in breastfeeding, partners and families, please support them.
Yes.
They need it. They need it.
Their support
Yes.
will do wonders.
Yes.
And even, whenever she is having any doubt,
Right.
she's getting tired, she
Right.
has some problem, she's not
Yes.
finding the solution.
Yeah.
But with your support, she will sail it through the problem.
Yeah. And this journey will really help the child be
Yes.
very, very healthy with a strong immunity.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Very true.
Yeah. So, you were talking about workplace things. So that reminds me, what is your view on corporate policies? What should be done to encourage breastfeeding, make it more convenient for the woman who comes back to work? That
All
what
right.
should they really do about it? Yeah.
Yeah. So, see, mostly mother gets 6 months of maternity leaves, right?
Right.
And if she joins part time or full time, when you know that your workforce has this bracket of age of women,
Mhm.
right? You know that aaj nahi to kal she will get married, she will have the kids, right? So in your infrastructure only, you should have a space for pumping station,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, you just have to invest in a good quality hospital graded pump, right? Keep a small refrigerator over there, one seated sofa, that's it. And always allow her, rather encourage her for the breastfeeding,
True.
because it even helps in the mental health of a mother as well.
Bilkul.
Otherwise, she will have that guilt that she is not able to breastfeed anymore.
Right.
So somehow, that will even impact the quality of the work.
Yeah.
So there has to be proper storage facility, the pumping station and everything.
Yeah.
So that will encourage her, and she will
That's a
rather
very good
enjoy
idea.
coming back to the work.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, she will know that she's well taken care of. So she
Yes.
can take care of her baby in a better way. Yeah, that's a very good point, I think, for
Yeah.
them to, if they have a workforce which is of this age group, they should think about
Yes,
it.
they must.
Absolutely. Yeah.
They must.
So when we were talking about the corporate policies, the question which is coming to my mind is, there's a lot of embarrassment in public for feeding the child. How does one overcome that for a mother as well as for the society? How can they help if a mother has to feed the child and she's sitting in a public place? How does this happen? Because I think it's high time women also learn to take it in their stride and the society also learn to take it in their stride. How would you do that?
Yes, this is very important question. So this is known as nursing in public.
Okay.
All right. See, when you are a lactating mother, always remember that you are providing basic food to your baby.
Okay.
Even if you are at your home, even if you are at mall, even if you are on the road, you are in a car, you are going somewhere, if your baby is hungry, you have to offer your breast,
Right.
right? Unless and until you are under certain medications, then we understand that breastfeeding is not possible.
Right.
But never feel shy when you are offering breast to your baby in public, right?
Okay.
If you are too conscious about it, you can just layer up with one, soft cotton ka dupatta.
Right.
It should not be like बच्चे को भी वो पसीना आ जाए,
Right,
ऐसा कभी
right.
मत करो. It
Right.
don't give any trauma to your baby, right? We never feel shy when we eat junk food, right? The way we eat burger, the way we eat pizza, we never hide our face,
Right.
right? So you are offering just basic food to your baby. No need to choose any trial room. No need to use toilets for, the
Yeah.
feeding purpose.
Yeah.
Now you see all the malls are having baby care room.
Yeah.
All the airports, even
Yeah.
at the railway stations also, you will find such kind of, the special rooms to feed your baby.
Right.
So always choose the convenient of a baby and make yourself confident
Yeah.
that nobody will stare at you.
Yeah.
And even as a responsible citizen,
Yeah.
it is very important that we have to make that mother very comfortable.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah.
She is just giving food to her baby.
Yeah.
All right. At times, what happens that I have a wedding function. I have to go somewhere. Can I give formula? But still try to find out, do some kind of adjustment. Maybe एक दो दिन पहले, when you feel that now I can do pumping, so आप थोड़ा pumping, output आप milk का store कर दो, so that when you are not available, anybody can feed the baby, right? But
Right.
formula is not always the solution.
Right.
If you just attempting it for the very first time, you will always encourage yourself for the second time, third time, and it
It's an
goes
easy
on.
way out.
It's an easy way out.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So that's a very good advice to mothers, like, okay, yeah, feel confident about it.
Yes.
And to the society, of course, please make sure that you make them comfortable, because बच्चे के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yes.
And so it is very important for the mother to feel confident and not feel conscious when she's in a public place. Sometimes these mothers end up having low milk supply, right? Which is a huge cause of concern in their head. And it is a low. What is basically the cause of it, and how can you take care of it?
All right. So low milk supply, when you feel that, you are not producing enough, so how you will identify that? Maybe you have now started pumping, and now the output is, let's say, coming at the age of 2 months. Now output is coming hardly 20, 25 ml. And धीरे धीरे वो भी decrease होने लगा है. So that means you are not producing enough, right? Certain times, if you are taking any medicine, then it will adversely affect the milk supply.
Okay.
So whenever you are visiting your physician or any specialized doctor,
Right.
always you have to mention that you are a lactating mother,
Okay.
because your medicine should not have adverse effect on your milk supply.
Perfect.
Most of the times, what I have experienced is when the baby is not latching well, the baby is doing only nipple feeding rather than the breastfeeding,
Okay.
then she will not be able to empty the breast properly.
Okay.
So gradually the supply decreases, and mother also faces engorgement problem, and gradually turns into the mastitis, or even sore nipples is also one of the common reason.
Okay.
If you have started doing any diet, following any diet, let's say low calorie deficit diet, or you have started fasting because you are in a rush of reaching to your pre-pregnancy weight. So if you do any kind of diet, if you are not consuming enough calories, then also you will start having a low milk supply.
Okay.
Right? So your quality of the diet is very important when you are a lactating mother.
Yeah, I was coming to that after this.
Yeah.
What about the nutrition for the woman who is lactating? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to focus more on the home cooked food only.
Okay.
Right? Stay away from the caffeine. Have adequate amount of water throughout the day.
Okay.
Right? And there are certain food which helps in enhancing the milk supply. Right? So focus more on the gallic food like methi seeds,
Okay.
jeera ho gaya, right? Shatavari powder, which is very important herb for the lactating mother. Coconut, dry coconut, when you are making porridge, laddu, or even in mukhwas, add ample amount of coconut.
Acha.
Suji, makhana is also one of the best healthy snack option.
Okay.
Papaya is there, and even green leafy vegetables. So you have to take care of your diet so that your milk supply is not getting hampered.
Perfect.
Right? And a positive mindset. That is the
yes.
most important food.
Yes, absolutely.
You have to enjoy the breastfeeding journey, right? Never take it as a task.
Yeah.
कि यार अभी फिर से मेरा आधा घंटा चला जाएगा, पता नहीं मैं कितना इसको फिट करवाऊं.
Right.
One should always enjoy the breastfeeding,
Yeah.
right?
True.
Yeah.
How would you recommend, like, suppose somebody is going through that mindset, so how would you say to enjoy? What are the techniques they can adopt to? I know it's your own personal mindset,
Hmm.
but anything you can advise that they can do this while they're doing this so that they enjoy the process?
Yes. So I always first listen to her, right? At times, we just have to be a good listener
Okay.
because she might be not sharing her feelings, or maybe there is no one who is listening to
Yeah.
her problems and all, right?
Yeah.
So first we have to be a good listener whenever you are visiting any new mother. Everybody will come and take the baby, will pura attention shift ho jata hai baby pe. But have you ever checked with the new mother, how is the breastfeeding journey going on? How is she feeling? So it's like once you are done with the breastfeeding, give the baby to your husband or to the family members. You have to share the load.
Yeah.
Work करवाना, बच्चे को सुलाना. Don't give all tasks to the new mother,
Right.
right? Otherwise, she will feel tired. She will get exhausted.
Yeah.
It's not like night shift पे उसको ही करना है mother को. No, we have to divide the task. If she is getting sound sleep, that is very important. Suppose रात को 12-1 बजे she is pumping the milk. So अभी जब भी बच्चा उठ रहा है, anybody will feed the baby
Okay.
with the spoon, right? So she is getting good 2-3 hours at a stretch sleep.
Yeah.
That is like more than enough for a new mother,
Yeah.
right? It is a blessing.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So family support is again everything. And even just check whether she's eating properly or not. And even at times, ma'am, what I feel is in India, we have very traditional mindset for initial 40 days. We find a lot of restriction in certain communities, like
Right.
you will be in one room for 40 days,
Yeah.
right? There will not be any AC, no fan,
Yeah.
because आपको ठंड लग जाएगी, बच्चे को ठंड लग जाएगी. अभी in India, it is more of summer, 10 month का,
Yeah.
2 months of only winter and monsoon,
And some
right?
of the places are very hot.
Yes. So, अगर डिप्रेशन वो बंदी इतनी स्ट्रांग है कि डिप्रेशन आ ही नहीं सकता है,
Yeah.
बट ऐसे एनवायरमेंट में उसको डिप्रेशन आ जाता है.
She'll feel lonely.
Yes,
Left alone.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because
And
nobody else
even
will
they
sit in a
serve
room. Yeah.
typical food, 2-3 sabji hoti hai, vegetables, that only she has to eat for 40
That
days.
get boring.
So she's not enjoying, she feel that ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ और
Right.
कब खत्म होगा ये.
Huh.
And during this time, she's missing a lot in
Yeah.
creating the bond with the baby.
Right.
She's somehow not happy with the new face.
Yeah. True.
So
That
we
is true.
have to consider lot many parameters when something is going wrong with her mental health.
Mental health. So basically, like for a mother to enjoy the process, I think the family support, the
Family
partner
support, yes.
support, making the atmosphere as beautiful and conducive and
Yes.
as friendly as possible so that she feels special.
Yes,
I think she needs pampering because she's going through her own
Absolutely.
challenges.
absolutely.
And if all this is given to her,
Hmm.
auto she will not feel burdened with all this.
yes.
Otherwise, she may
And always
feel,
encourage her ki, now baby is sleeping. Why don't you just
Right.
go for a walk?
yeah,
Just sit in a balcony
yeah,
for 10-15
come out
minutes.
and take a walk, come
Yes.
sit with
Do
everybody.
pranayam, do some
Yeah.
breathing. So that will definitely
Definitely.
relax. That's a relaxing time for her.
And she starts enjoying the process.
Yes.
That's lovely. Yeah, I think that's a very good advice.
Yeah.
So, considering we've covered the breastfeeding as much as we can, anything else you would want to put emphasis on for childbirth education?
Sure. So childbirth education, it's like when you are conceiving, okay? The journey always starts the moment of conception with the childbirth education. So as in when your pregnancy progresses, you will experience a lot of changes, physiological changes happens. Mentally also you go through a lot, right? आज headache है, कल acidity होता है, 2 दिन कुछ नहीं होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम वाला फेस चलता रहता है, right? So you need someone with you who can give you informational support,
Okay.
right? Who can encourage you for the moment. So you need to have that support. And when you are coming for the childbirth education classes, we even educate husband for the labor class,
Okay.
wherein how a husband can be a labor support partner.
Okay.
We provide them ample amount of informations, like even if the cesarean section is happening, what are the reason behind C-section, rather than just opting for, date and time, muhurat fix kiya and just go
Yeah.
for C-section. No, hold on. You have to first give a try for the normal delivery, vaginal
Right.
birth, right?
Right.
So we prepare husband also, and we take care of lot of sessions. How to take care of the newborn, the breastfeeding class is one of them, your diet counseling, and we do other lot of activities wherein the mother is enjoying the process of being pregnant,
Yeah.
right? And when all the women are together, they share a lot of emotions with each other.
Right.
So that's a very different
Yeah.
side of the journey.
Absolutely. And they feel encouraged looking at each other. If
Yes.
10 are focused on vaginal delivery,
Yes.
the other two who are probably a little fearful or something, it
Yes.
gives them more support and
Yes.
yeah.
So if
Courage.
someone is in second trimester, if she meets someone from the third trimester,
Yeah.
she will give her good
Advice.
advices, a piece
Right.
of advices. Do this, don't do that.
Right.
Just follow this routine, so you will have a good
Yeah.
second trimester and the third trimester journey.
Yeah, but what about the working women? They don't in that while they're working and they're pregnant, they don't have time to come to the support groups. So how do they go about it?
See, nowadays all these classes are online as well.
Okay,
So you can choose your convenient slot,
perfect.
early morning or late evening, depends upon your availability. You
Right.
can always choose the class accordingly.
Yeah, lovely.
So you are not missing out. Actually, for that matter, I think we should be thankful to the COVID.
Yeah, yeah. People got used to doing things
Yes,
online
with
and
the online
receiving it
platform.
online. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. They became more open-minded about it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so makes life easy for them.
Yes.
Well, so, Doctor, we understood one thing, that it was your own journey which inspired you into this line. So, what exactly was the story behind that?
All right. So when I delivered my first one, my first daughter, and she was on a combination mother milk and the formula milk. So we were around 25 days of postpartum, and of course, I had a cesarean birth. So I started some weird pain in my breast, and it got so bad that it was severe engorgement. And when I visited the gynec, she diagnosed me with a mastitis. So that's a breast infection.
Oh, okay.
And it went so worse that I had to go for surgery.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Really?
mastitis surgery, and that recovery also take good 4 to 5 weeks of time.
Oh,
Yeah. So then दोनों side पे milk बंद कर दिया था with heavy dose of antibiotic injections and all. Then I couldn't produce milk. Then she was completely on the formula feeding till the age of 1 year. So, okay, I recovered and everything was going fine. The baby was growing well. So, I was not taking much stress. But when I conceived my second one, of course, I was very happy. And फिर अचानक से याद आया कि what if the same experience I will have in my breastfeeding journey, I started getting a lot of negative feeling, anxiety आने लगी मुझे. Then my husband only told me that, let's work on the positive affirmation, that nothing will happen. So we literally started listing on the positive affirmation for breastfeeding, and I started reading them every day.
Okay.
And one fine night, I was in 7 months of pregnancy, and already the breast started lactating.
Oh.
Yeah. So, and then it continued every day. It was happening. Doctor was like, "Don't worry, this is very normal."
Okay.
And when I delivered the second one, I breastfed her in the operation theater only. And then we continued breastfeeding till 2 years and 8 months.
Okay.
Yeah. And then she self-weaned herself. She was like, now I don't want Mandudu. I want yellow milk now. So then we stopped. And even I didn't face any problem. And because she was just taking one feed at a night. So वो breast भी अपने आप फिर dry up हो गया था.
Okay.
And then, it just continued the breastfeeding journey. So when I had this problem first time, I was not having any lactation support in my city.
Okay.
So I went through a lot. That moment I decided, I read a lot on the Google, but I was not having any idea कि कहाँ से मैं approach करूँ. So that moment I decided I will do something in my life whenever time permits. I'll I'll study on lactation and I'll help new mothers. So that thought was always in my mind.
And that inspired you to take a whole
Yes.
line from
Yes.
media to this.
Absolutely.
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 And you had a direct comparison
Yes.
of what happened the first time and what happened the second
Second
time.
time.
And you
Yes.
could clearly see how much your first child was benefiting, the second child was benefiting, and you were benefiting in both these things.
Yes, absolutely. And always, once you be a mother, you see the different strength in your body.
True.
So it's not like we are by education, we are this, now we have to stick to the same profession. No.
Yeah.
We can do many other things as well. So one fine day I was not comfortable with the corporate culture, corporate pressure and everything. So I left my media profession completely and I shifted completely on the pregnancy, the childbirth education. Then I started studying the lactation and everything.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And your whole line and your whole mission in life
Yes,
changed.
my life has changed.
That's amazing. So
Yeah.
it's like वो बोलते हैं जब आप खुशी बांटते हैं तो आपको डबल खुशी मिलती है.
Yes.
So when
yes.
you
It is full of blessings.
Yes, absolutely.
It's full
Yeah,
of
if you
blessings.
can make this journey smooth for anybody,
Yeah.
obviously it's a blessing thing for them and the blessings are coming back to you. So
Yes.
definitely. So I hope all you lovely ladies out there and their supporting partners and their families found this podcast very enlightening because it is not only explaining us everything, it is definitely first and foremost showing us the importance of why the child should be breastfed, why a mother should, if medically permitted, opt for vaginal delivery. So please feel encouraged to follow these guidelines. And we just hope and pray that not only your pregnancy journey, but beyond is full of fun, full of happiness, full of divinity. God bless. Take care. See you guys soon with another expert.